360 Energy Solutions is a full-service generator company that offers generator maintenance, repair, rental, and sales to healthcare, municipalities, data centers, high-rise buildings, and educational facilities, among others. We're the only authorized Doosan distributor in South Florida and a Cummins heavy-duty engine dealer. Are you passionate about engines and want to build a rewarding career in the power generation industry? Look no further than 360 Energy Solutions, your trusted partner for generator maintenance, service, repair, and rentals. Career opportunities are endless with 360 Energy. From entry-level positions to leadership roles, we support your ambitions and guide you through the process. Ready to power up your career? Contact 360 Energy Solutions at 786-348-2156 or visit our website at www.360energysolutions.net/careers.